Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. So right now I'm working on this little piece here for the junk journal that I showed you in the last couple of videos. And this is a crochet item I made for it, this little cat, little applique. I linked the crochet tutorial under the video where I originally showed the cat, and I'm requesting you guys to make little things like this so I can put in the junk journal so we can design it and decorate it together. Yeah. All right, so this was an envelope that I got in the mail with a bill, and it has the window, so I just cut the envelope down, glued this little guy to the other part of the envelope that I had cut off, and put it inside. So now it's all sealed up inside, and I used the paper that I got from Temu that I showed you the other day. It's actually knitting. I couldn't find any crochet design paper. What I did was I thought, well, why don't I just make my own, right? But anyway, I had made this last night, so I will glue it onto a page here, here, and here, and the top will be open to use as a pocket to stuff things into. But anyway, so as I was saying, I thought, why not make my own crochet paper? Like crochet design on a paper. Okay, I'll show you right here. So all I did was I took pictures of some of my designs that I made. I just took pictures of the actual item. So this is a shawl. I'll link the tutorials for these below. That's a shawl I designed. So now I have it on this paper. It's not really high quality paper, just copy paper. My printer is not like the best, I guess. I've had it for a few years now. So now I have crochet stitches that I can use in the junk journal. Cool, right? Oh my goodness. So I've got 4 here that I want to show you. And I'm going to put these in a community post, these pictures. So if you do paper crafting and things like that, go right ahead and screenshot them and use them if you like. I'm not going to sell them or anything, so just use them for anything you want. This mark here is actually one ear of my cat Huggles. It's just the shadow of her ear. She was walking towards it as I took a picture. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to leave that. I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm not going to retake the picture. So yeah, this is a shawl that I made. And this next one is the one I just finished. I put up a tutorial last week. It's a little crop, I call it a crop Cardi, Bolero, Shrug kind of thing. But I'll link the tutorial for this one. This is just the back of it. And this is another shawl that I had done. It's a very textured shawl with bobbles. And so I'll link that tutorial below as well. And then this is a cardigan I made with this stitch. So I'll link that tutorial below as well. So now I have real crochet stitches on paper that I can use in this junk journal that you all and myself are making together. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day till I see you next time. Bye.